tell me if you think this fruit is sweet or sour. What fruit is this?
A mango.
Is a mango sweet or sour?
A mango. It's sweet.
Mango is sweet. Very good.
Mango.
And this is a?
Lemon.
Is a lemon sweet or sour?
A lemon. Sweet.
Lemon is not sweet.
It's sour.
It's very sour.
Okay.
Now, what is this?
A tangerine. Tangerine.
Is a tangerine sweet or sour?
It's sweet. Sweet.
It's very sweet, isn't it?
Yes.
Delicious.
Sweet is also meant to cute.
That means it tastes sweet. And what's this?
It's sweet.
Is a cherry sweet or sour?
It's sweet.
It's very sweet and delicious, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Can I taste it? It's
Okay.
sweet.
Now, what is this?
A banana.
A banana. Is a banana sweet or sour?
It's sweet.
It's sweet. It's very delicious,
It's
isn't it?
only for us. We're sweet.
Yes, you're sweet just like my babies. And what color is a banana?
Yellow.
And what color is a
It's yellow.
what color is a tangerine?
Orange.
Orange. What color is a lemon?
Green.
Good job. What color is a cherry?
Red.
Good job.
And
What
that's it.
color is a mango?
Green. And yellow.
Green and yellow. And what is this?
A pineapple.
And
Take
what-
it out.
What color is a pineapple?
Brown. Red.
Okay. Now, is a pineapple sweet or sour?
It's sweet.
It's very sweet. I love pineapples. Do you love pineapples? Do you love pineapples?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is this?
A potato.
That's not a potato.
A potato.
It's a tomato.
A potato.
What color is a tomato?
Red. And green.
Now, do we?
Red. Red.
What do we use a tomato for?
Eat it. What do you cook?
We use a tomato when we're cooking.
Eat it.
Right.
Eat
And
it.
what are these?
Peppers. Can I try it?
Peppers. What do we use peppers for?
Cooking.
Cooking. Good
Can
job.
I eat some?
No, you can't eat the pepper like that. Silly. What color are the peppers?
Red and green.
Awesome job.
Can I try some? No. Sweet and sour.
Okay guys, so now we've learned all about our fruits. We learned about those that are sweet and those that are sour. Which ones do you like? Those that are sweet or the sour ones?
I like the sour one.
You like the sour ones?
I like the sweet one.
And you like the sweet ones? I like sweet ones too. I don't like sour fruits.
I like sour.
Which one's your favorite? Okay everyone, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Till next time.